Hello guys, it's Elkskins again. This phone needs a focus. Here we have an air compressor. It's a 21 gallon Harbor Freight special I got for free last week. The guy says it's got a air leak. Well, I got it home, plugged it in, verified it has an air leak. This is basically the same air compressor that I got in my shed, except this is a newer model. So it's got an air leak and it's leaking out of the pressure switch. So $11 off Amazon. We got a new pressure switch. So I've got to take it apart and figure out the wiring, which I'm not that great at on the 110, but it can't be that hard. And I'll get it fixed. So, yeah, let me dive into it. I'm not going to video me doing this change because, like I said, I've never actually done one. So, it'll be something new for me. And Harbor Freight is discontinuing their central whatever air compressor line, just to let you guys know. So I'll bring you back after I get this thing changed out. Okay guys, this is turning into a little bit of a project because I didn't expect to tear this thing down this far. So you got to take the plastic shroud off the back of the engine or motor to get all this situated. The build quality of this new pressure switch is a little bit different from the old. Different colors. I took this one partially apart, so trying to find out. But I think it's got a rip in that diaphragm or whatever it is down there. So they changed some stuff. And the new one, if you have one of these air compressors, don't throw the pressure switch out because you need those screws because they don't provide them. So these screws for the green wire I have to use from the old. So it is what it is, and I'm going to continue. They also give you a new compression fitting. I'm just going to reuse the old one. It's an air compressor. It's not the space shuttle. Okay guys, let's see if I got this thing set up right. I got it turned out a little bit further. Give it a couple minutes or a little bit and see if it builds up. I hear no air. Before it would just hiss in air. I'll bring you back when it's done pumping up. Alright guys, it shut off at 120 psi. So, overall I think that's good. I'll figure out where to stick it. It'll probably be back there in the corner or something like that, or somewhere where I can get to it, because it's going to stay in the lean-to. Because I got the air compressor in the red shed. I don't really need it up there. I need it out here. So, nice, cheap, easy fix. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And see you on the next one.